guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you how to draw that 3D Santa Claus. Now in graphic design world is already Christmas and New Year, and you as a graphic designers should be ready and create content for those holidays. And of course, in graphic design world, you need to start create content for Christmas and New Year in the end of September. So now it's November, and but it's not late. You can create content for those holidays till the end of December. So today I'm going to show you how to draw that 3D Christmas toy for Christmas tree, something like this. But at first I'm going to show you how to create that flat Santa Claus, and after we will create that 3D Santa Claus. And guys, I want to invite you to my graphic design course, Commercial Portfolio Step Up, where you can create your first commercial portfolio and to understand how to earn money with help of graphic design and your portfolio. More about my course below this video on course website. As well, I want to invite you to my Telegram channel, where you will find a huge graphic design chat where you can talk with each other and sometimes with me. And as well, if you're interested to see me without graphic design and to see my life as a simple girl, you can go to my Instagram and you will see how I live in Montenegro in a small town, Herceg Novi. Well guys, now let's start to draw that 3D Santa Claus. This is size of my workspace, and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. And if you want to take a closer look and to download an original vector file with colors and my design, you can do it on my Patreon page. The link will be below this tutorial. And now let's start to draw our Santa Claus. Okay guys, at first we need to draw flat Santa Claus. Let's take that color and rectangle tool, and let's create rectangle with the size 264 to 141. Now let's take direct section tool and move those points like this. Let it be imperfect. And now curvature tool, add 1 point here and move like that, and 1 point here and move like this. Okay, now we need to take ellipse tool, create the first ellipse here, rotate it, move here. Now one more ellipse with the same color, like that. And one more ellipse with the same color here. Put it here. Okay, now select these two ellipses. Copy and paste, transform, reflect, vertical, OK, and put here. Okay, now let's full empty places. Okay, select Pathfinder Unite. Now let's take direct selection tool, and you need select corners and hold and drag to round corners. Like that. Let's play a little with points. Let it be unperfect, it will be more interested. Now let's take that color for the skin and create ellipse with the size 124 to 124. Move here, hold Alt and make copy. Select a line. Move, I think will be better here. You can make it a little smaller for now. Now let's take pen tool and draw here the shape like that. Let's start maybe here. Okay. Create something like this. And now select all shapes, Pathfinder Unite. Select Direct Selection tool, select that point, hold and drag to round. Now free transform tool and that option and make that side a little smaller. Okay, it's ready. You can make it a little bigger. Okay. Like that. Now let's move that here and select those points with Direct Selection tool and make the shape a little longer, like that. Take that shape and bring it back. Now let's take a red color and ellipse tool, create the circle here, move in that place, and Direct Selection tool, select this point and move it up. Okay. Now let's take black color and ellipse tool, create the first eye here. Now make copy the second eye, align. Okay. Now let's take that line tool and that brush with black color, rotate, move here, the size 0.7, smaller, and in that place. Okay, now let's take the same light color, make the shape with rectangle like that. Now go to Effect, Warp, and let's select arc, vertical, horizontal, and maybe 30%. Okay. Object expand appearance, and now let's fix that shape. I think it's great size. Now let's move it up and Direct Selection tool, select that point and round it. Select this point and round it. Now select this point, round the corner, and the same here. Okay, let's add one point with curvature tool here and make that side a little imperfect, the same here. And now let's fix corners with help of smooth tool. Select the shape, smooth tool, and let's smooth here the shape and smooth here. Move down. Okay. Now let's take red color and pen tool to create next shape for the head. It will be pretty easy. Make it smaller, move here, send to back. Okay, direct section tool, round corner here. Like that. I think we need to move it a little up. And now let's round the corner here. Now let's take this color and create ellipse tool and create ellipse. Let's select ellipse tool and create ellipse. Okay, put here, send to back, like that. Now let's select that point with direct selection tool, move down, select the head and move up. Now rectangle tool with red color, create the rectangle like that. Send to back, like this. Effect, warp, arc, and let's select bulge, vertical, and let it be 30% or maybe 33. Okay, object, expand appearance, direct section tool, select these points and round corners. Now let's take free transform tool, select this option and make it like this, and let's take pen tool with red color and create hand. Like this. Send to back. Okay. Now let's select this color and pen tool. Let's create here one more shape with pen tool. Around that corner. Take that black color and ellipse tool and create next shape like this. Rotate, select both shapes and send to back, a little up. Now select this point and a little down, and that a little like this. Rotate a little. Okay. Squeeze a little. Now select this shape, move here. And now let's round. Let's play with the point here with curvature tool. And the same here. Let's add here one more point and make it more rounded. Now select the hand. This part, let's make it a little smaller. Select, group, send reflect vertical copy and send here. Select these two shapes and send to back. Okay. Let it be like this for now. Now let's create hand, legs, but at first let's move this point up and the same here. Now let's take rectangle tool, create the first leg. Send to back. Put here. Now select this point and make like this. And now let's create one more shape here with help of rectangle tool. Select both shapes, align, and now let's again select both shapes, Pathfinder Unite, direct selection tool, and now we need to round corners. Like that. Now let's play a little with points. Okay, and smooth a little the shape. it looks more cute. You can play with points, for example, like this. To make it a little cuter. Okay. Now let's create one more rectangle here. Copy and paste that leg. Select the copy and the rectangle. Pathfinder intersect. Okay, black color. And now ungroup the hand. Copy and paste that shape and paste it here. Make it a little longer and squeeze a little like this. Okay. And smooth a little, yes, with smooth tool. Let's move that point here. With direct selection tool, select the leg, group it. Transform, reflect, vertical copy, move here, select both legs, align, and send to back. Select that leg and rotate it, put here. Okay, like this. Now let's select that part and take curvature tool and play a little with points to make that side, that shape of body a little more rounded, and take a smooth tool to smooth it. Now select the leg and move it a little like this. Now black color and rectangle tool. Draw here the shape like that and a little down. Now select that shape, effect, warp, arc, horizontal, and let it be maybe -21. Object, expand appearance, move up, select both shapes, shape builder tool, hold Alt and delete unwanted parts. Okay, now let's take again black color and rectangle ellipse tool and make 2 ellipses here. Now let's take gold color and rounded rectangle tool with radius 20. Okay. Delete unwanted and let's create here the shape like that. And go to object, path, offset path, -13, okay. Select both shapes and exclude. Now let's fix hands a little, around, rotate it. Okay. Now let's select only body and rotate it. Select and rotate. Move like this. Okay, it's ready. Now group some parts, group this part and this. Now group the whole body. To make 3D effect, we need to group parts that we need to use in our 3D effect group. Okay, so we group the head, cap and body, 3D and materials. Okay, that option has only Adobe Illustrator 20, 22 and more. Now let's select inflate, that option, materials. Let's move here slider. You can use my options, you can play with options by yourself. And here the same. Okay, next the head, materials, object, inflate, that option, materials, play with options here. And now let's play with lighting. Okay, now body, sorry, the nose. Again, object, inflate, that option, materials, play with options. Lighting, and now let's play here. It's ready. Now body, select the body, and now we need to change a little the color for hands and legs. Let's at first lock the head here. Let's lock that layer. And now let's select with direct selection tool only hands and legs, and we need to select a little other shade of red to make our effect. For example, a little darker or a little lighter, but just a little. Now select the body. And go to Object, Inflate, Now that option, materials, let's change options here. Lighting. Let all will be the same. Okay, now it's ready. Now let's select the eyes object, or opacity and overlay, and here opacity overlay. Okay, now let's take that red color and rectangle tool, create background, send it back. Okay, let's make it a little closer. Let's close the window. Now go to effect and document raster effects 300 ppi, and now your vector illustration will be look more better. A few seconds. Okay, now you see it looks more better. Now let's unlock here the layer, select the Santa Claus, object expand appearance. Okay, now let's group it, move the object. Now let's select that color and ellipse tool, and create here the line like that with pen tool. Move that point a little to the right. Okay, now with pen tool let's create the bow. Transform, reflect, vertical copy, move here. Now let's unselect the background and let's take that color and brush tool in there. Stroke, we need this color, and create some shapes like this. Let's move them a little. Okay guys, our Santa Claus toy is ready. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design. Bye bye guys!